Rooms in my house. This is my house. House. Let's go inside. In this room, we watch TV and relax. Guess what room it is? It's a living room. Living room. We can cook and wash the dishes here. Guess what room it is? It's a kitchen. Kitchen. In this room, we can take a shower and use the toilet. Guess what room it is? It's a bathroom. Bathroom. In this room, we can sleep and get dressed. What room is it? It's a bedroom. Bedroom. In this room, we can read books, do homework, and work behind the desk. What room is it? It's a study. Study. We have breakfast, lunch, and dinner in this room. What room is it? It's a dining room. Dining room. This room is used for parking our car. What room is it? It's a garage. Garage. This room is underground. We can store our old things in it. It's a little scary. What room is it? It's a basement. Basement. It's in front of the house. We play games and have a barbecue in it. Where is it? It's a yard. Yard. House. Living room. Kitchen. Bathroom. bedroom, study, dining room, garage, basement, yard.